Hi everybody, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So as you can see, we're back in Brighton. And so that means we're going to bring you more conversations with strangers. Here you're going to be able to pick up on nuances and phrases and some slang which you've never heard before to help you sound more like a native English speaker. Before we start this week's episode, if you are someone trying to improve your conversation skills, then why don't you consider joining our conversation membership and joining our online Zoom conversation classes on Tuesday nights by clicking the link up here. But let's get to it. This is Conversations with Strangers. Here we go.
Hello, you alright?
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, I'm good, how are you?
I'm not bad, thanks. Excuse me?
Yeah?
Hi, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm pretty good, thanks. Excuse me. Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Yeah, having a
you?
nice day today?
Pardon?
Having a nice day today?
We're having a walk. Yeah, the back's not killing me at the moment, so I'm fine.
Yes, I'm having a top.
Excuse me. Hi.
Oh, hello.
Great acting skills, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Yeah, not bad. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry to interrupt your day. What are you up to?
I'm just walking around Brighton with my friend. We've just moved, so having a look around.
Ah, you say you just moved?
Yes.
Wow, okay. And where did you move from?
Well, I only moved from 20 minutes away, but there's a few of us. We all were in Bristol before, so we've technically moved from Bristol.
How's it going?
Good, thanks.
You all good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Having a nice day today in Brighton?
Yeah, we just come from the gym.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry to interrupt your day.
No worries, man.
How's your day going?
It's going alright, thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you up to today in Brighton?
Taking my daughter to Sea Life Centre today.
Oh, cute. How old is your daughter?
She's nearly 2.
Nearly 2 years old, okay. And does she have, it was her request or your suggestion?
My suggestion, we've taken her before, but she was a little bit younger and she really likes fish, so we thought it's a no-brainer to take her.
Any fish specifically, or?
Any fish, like sharks, but I'm not sure we're going to have much luck seeing lots of sharks in there, but I think she'll just like the bright, colourful fish.
What are you up to today?
Exactly.
I'm walking down this seafront and we're going to go play golf where the big gorilla is.
Ah, yeah, some crazy golf.
Crazy golf, yeah.
Nice. Are you from Brighton?
Yes.
You are from Brighton, but you've never done the crazy golf in Brighton.
I've done it once on my birthday. My parents took me.
Okay. There's like bucket list things you kind of have to do in Brighton, I guess.
It is essential.
Are you walking to anywhere specifically or just focusing on the walking bit?
No, I've come from the Hove Lagoon, and I used to walk all the way along to the marina.
Wow, how long is that? It's quite a bit.
Oh, it's 2 miles. Yeah, it's 2 miles there, 2 miles back. It's 4 miles. No, it's 4 miles there, 4 miles. It's 8 miles.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
But that's quite a bit of time you invested into this walking.
Oh, that's what you do. Not working, so I don't have to do any of that.
How's it going?
Oh, great. Yeah. How's it going with you?
Yeah, I'm really good, thank you.
Good.
How's your day going? Do you have any plans?
Yeah. We're going to go to a cafe and we're going to have some cake and a catch up because we haven't seen each other in like 6 months.
Time, yeah.
Oh, really?
Long time, yeah.
Wow. So one of you is from here and the other not? Or...
Actually, I'm from here and I go to uni here, but you go to unis.
Bristol, but I'm also from here. So I'm back for the holidays when we're crossing over.
Nice.
Because last holiday you were busy. You were in Poland.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. You've got a good memory.
And so then what are you up to with your day?
We're just going on a wander, finding a cafe. What else are we going to do?
It's a nice day for that.
Yeah, it's
isn't it?
gorgeous, so sunny, really warm. And get a coffee and go to the library.
You go to the library. Okay.
Yeah,
Wow, you got a
academic.
fun-packed day.
Yes, busy.
So what are you doing now? Are you going to treat yourself now you've done a gym sesh?
Well, we're going home for lunch.
Going home for lunch.
If that's treating yourself. Not
Yeah,
sure.
depends what lunch is, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Leftovers.
Yeah.
Nice. And then after lunch, what are you going to do? Have you got...
I don't know. I'll probably do a bit of housework. What about you, Magnus?
Probably I'm going to continue with the nothing that I've been doing
Yeah,
this
it's
week.
school holidays.
Yeah, fair enough. Nothing is something when you're on holiday.
Come for a little walk. I've visited an old friend of mine and I've bought some hand cream because my hands were getting a bit dry.
Nice. Are you from Brighton?
I grew up in Lewis,
Oh, okay.
so very close by, but I've lived here for about 15 years now.
Right. Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt your YouTube viewing, but I would just quickly like to give you some information about our Easy English membership, which is going to help you improve your English. Our membership is divided into 3 different tiers, depending on your level of English. I want to speak about our middle tier, or our learner membership. This is a membership which is going to help any of you intermediate English learners. We're going to provide you with a whole host of extras to help you improve your English listening skills. For our podcast, we offer our interactive transcript, which is going to translate each and every sentence that Easy and I say in our regular weekly podcasts into your language of choice. Or if it's our videos you're trying to improve your English with, then we offer you transcripts, vocabulary lists, and worksheets to help you pick up all of the vocabulary and slang used in each and every episode and put it into a nice, useful worksheet for you to figure out each and every time we produce an episode. Lastly, as I mentioned at the beginning of the episode, we have our conversation membership, which has a 7-day free trial, allowing you 1 free access to our weekly conversation calls on Zoom on Tuesday nights for 1 hour. There you'll be joining other non-native English learners in a relaxed and inclusive atmosphere where we encourage you just to try and speak English and learn through making mistakes. If you're interested in improving your English skills, then check out our membership with the link up here or by going to easyenglish.video/membership. Now back to the episode. And what have you got planned for later today after the Sea Life Centre? How are you going to treat yourself?
I don't know. I think it's just nice to have a Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? Yeah, have a Tuesday off of work and stuff, and spend time with my family. So yeah, just a family day. We'll spend as long as we can in the Sea Life Centre, and we might even go over to the pier and go on the slot machines and stuff. So
Sounds
yeah,
nice.
nice chilled out day with the family. It'll be good.
And what are you up to tonight then after you finish crazy golfing?
We're going to go eat a Japanese restaurant.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I like Japanese food. what's it called?
Sushi Garden, I think.
Sushi Garden, nice. So what's your order at Sushi Garden?
Quite like, it's like sea fish ramen.
Sea fish. Oh really?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'm also a big ramen fan. So then what have you got planned for later on tonight then after you've done your walk?
Collapse in the heat, probably. Get depressed reading the paper and watching the news.
Oh God, why would you do that to yourself? And so you guys are just catching up over a coffee or so?
Yeah, that's our plan.
And hopefully a little cake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. And whereabouts are you going to?
The reading rooms.
Oh yeah, I heard of this place. And where is it? Could you direct me to the
It's
reading
like
room?
directly along here and then to your left.
Great. Okay, nice.
Elizabeth or Edwardian? Edwardian
Yes.
tea and coffee room.
And then what about later tonight then? Have you got any plans?
Watching some TV
Yeah?
and make a nice meal.
What you're watching at the moment?
We're going to watch Laugh Out Loud. No, Last One Laughing.
Oh yeah, right. I
you
love
seen it?
that. Bob Mortimer.
Yes. Oh, he's so good. And Sam Campbell.
And Sam also. And what are you up to tonight then after the relaxing, or just more and more relaxing?
I don't know. We haven't got any special plans.
Don't have any special plans.
Bit of telly,
okay.
probably a bit of
Probably a
television.
bit of telly.
We
Fair
started to
enough.
watch a film last night. We probably watched the end of a film.
Did we?
We
Oh,
did.
we did. Yeah.
We did.
You had well and truly lost in the Easter holidays. Well, long may that continues. I hope you have a nice rest of your walk. So, which way are you going? Are you heading back to Hove?
I
or
haven't
back to
decided
Leeds?
yet. I might get enthusiastic and go that way a bit, just to go along to the lift. That again, I might not. I might probably go up in through the around the pavilion, see how far they got.
Nice. Oh, yeah, I might go check out this video now actually. Yeah, nice to meet you.
It's fine.
Have a nice rest of your day.
Thank you very much. You too.
It's alright. Anyway, it's nice to meet you.
All
Hope
right,
you have
man.
a nice rest of your day.
Yeah, pleasure.
Thank you very much.
All right, man.
It's alright.
Take care.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
No worries. Have a nice day. See you later.
It's alright.
Thanks.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No worries.
Have a nice rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
It's alright. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy and have a nice time catching up.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Ta-ra.
Ta-ra.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much for your time. Really
Okay.
nice to meet you too.
All right, thanks. Thanks.
Thanks.
All right,
Okay.
cheers.
Nice. Well, I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Great acting. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Please let us know in the comments below if you are enjoying this recent series of conversations with strangers, and also let us know any other scenarios you'd like to see me in where I'm interacting with native English speakers. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!